Today I am reviewing the MSI Crosshair 18HX AI 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are sinking our teeth into an absolute juggernaut of a laptop that is engineered to rewrite the rules of mobile performance. We are breaking down the MSI Crosshair 18HX AI gaming laptop. Now, let's be completely honest about what it means to buy a premium gaming rig today. We are living in an era where software demands are skyrocketing. Modern AAA games are utilizing incredibly complex array tracing technologies, and creative workflows like real-time 3D rendering and generative AI require server-grade hardware just to run smoothly. Most portable systems start throttling or running out of memory the second you push them to their limits. But MSI has thrown everything but the kitchen sink into this machine, creating an 18-inch powerhouse that is designed to completely replace your desktop computer without breaking a sweat. Let's dive deep into the layout of this incredible machine and see exactly why it stands as a definitive apex predator in the portable computing market. To truly understand the raw authority of this laptop, we have to talk about its cutting-edge, next-generation internal hardware. At the absolute heart of this system is the Intel Core Ultra i9-275HX processor. This is a massive 24-core processor that is custom-built to maximize gaming architecture and crunch through intensive, multi-threaded AI processing workloads. It distributes tasks intelligently across performance and efficiency cores, delivering monumental power when you are rendering a timeline or running a physics-heavy game engine. But a flagship CPU is only half the battle. MSI has paired this processor with the highly anticipated next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, equipped with 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR5 dedicated video memory. The leap to GDDR5 memory architecture brings massive improvements to memory bandwidth and power efficiency. When you fire up a visually punishing title, the real-time ray tracing capabilities and advanced DLSS frame generation deliver jaw-droppingly realistic lighting, deep physical immersion, and buttery-smooth frame rates that older laptop GPUs could only dream of achieving. To make sure that all of this graphical muscle isn't wasted, MSI has mounted a spectacular 18-inch QHD Plus display onto this chassis. Boasting a crisp 16:10 aspect ratio resolution of 2560x1600, this screen gives you a massive, sweeping field of view. For competitive shooters and esports athletes where every single millisecond counts, the rapid 240 Hz refresh rate translates into exceptionally fluid motion, completely eliminating ghosting and artifacting so you can track your targets with absolute precision. Furthermore, because it covers a full 100% of the DCI P3 cinematic color gamut, it serves as a dual-purpose dream machine for digital artists, professional video editors, and colorists who require absolute, studio-level visual fidelity in their daily workspace. When it comes to memory and data management, this upgraded configuration is completely loaded. It packs a whopping 32 GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM, ensuring your system remains hyper-responsive even if you are streaming your gameplay to an audience while running heavy broadcasting software in the background. For storage, you get an absolute vault. Internally, there is a blazing fast 2 TB solid-state drive that loads games and boot files near instantaneously. But MSI takes it a step further by including an innovative bonus package, a custom 7-in-1 docking station that features an additional 1 TB of built-in storage, bringing your total storage pool to a massive 3 TB. This means you can keep your core system lightweight for travel while instantly connecting to a massive media archive the moment you sit down at your main desk setup. Physically, the Crosshair 18HX AI demands respect. It is a substantial machine, weighing in at 6.83 pounds and measuring just over an inch thick, which is entirely justified given the massive cooling system required to keep its enthusiast-grade components running at peak performance. The desktop experience is completed by an exceptional 24-zone RGB backlit keyboard, allowing you to intricately customize your lighting zones and game comfortably even in pitch-black environments. For connectivity, the laptop is an absolute dream for power users. It comes loaded with an ultra-fast Thunderbolt port, 3 high-speed USB 3.2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 output for driving external 4K displays, a dedicated RJ45 Ethernet jack for lag-free wired gaming, and state-of-the-art Wi-Fi 6E alongside Bluetooth. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it gives professionals access to advanced corporate security features right out of the box. To wrap it all up, the MSI Crosshair 18HX is an absolute masterclass in extreme portable computing. It successfully unites the blistering multi-core power of the Intel Ultra 9, the groundbreaking architecture of the RTX 5070 DDR5 GPU, and a spectacular 240Hz color-accurate display. If you are a hardcore gamer who refuses to compromise on frame rates, a creative professional demanding uncompromising rendering speed, or an AI developer looking for a local powerhouse, this machine is an extraordinary investment that completely redefines mobile limits. Thanks for listening to this comprehensive review, and happy gaming.